Hello students. Are you struggling with mathematics or accountancy? Don't worry. The study tutor is here to understand your problem and guide you. Having an experience for more than 5 years in teaching, equipped with the best online and offline learning materials and practices, as well as a positive attitude, we're ready to help students succeed and achieve their goals. As a student, you will not only learn to solve the problem, but also understand the logic behind solving each and every problem effectively. We will work with you to personalize a unique curriculum that will match your learning habits and help you reach your academic goals. Today we have more than 500 students on Udemy. Our students have certified us with 4.9 ratings on Google as well as on Udemy. We provide online and offline group tuitions for your particular tutoring needs, customizing lessons and strategy to accommodate your level of experience and curriculum demands. Online and offline group tuitions available for Mathematics Class 9 and Class 10. Accounts Class 11 and Class 12. Coaching provided for Maharashtra Board and CBSE Board. We have successfully completed the syllabus for Batch 2021-22. Admission in full swing for Batch 2022-23. For best learning experience, feel free to call us on 913-638-6326 for further details on offline group tuitions. Students opting for online group tuitions can enroll themselves for a demo class by clicking the link provided in the description box. No registration fees required. If satisfied, you can enroll for the course as per your requirement. Discount on fees available for admissions before April 30, 2022. Thank you. Have a good day.